Hello everyone. In this session, we will understand the significance of Python in mechanical engineering. Computer programming may not be our main focus as mechanical engineers, but in today's digital world, these skills are crucial. Learning a user-friendly language like Python can pay a huge dividends. Since this language, pre-equipped with all the scientific and mathematical tools we need, it's easy to expand Python scripting into many use cases as your command over it grows. Python can open doors to faster and more optimized workflow. It can simulate a huge amount of data, and most crucially, it can automate boring and tedious tasks so that they are finished in a matter of seconds. Using Python, you can use built-in functions to run numerical analysis faster and easier than ever before. You may make use of many packages that come with Python like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, and many more to make your work faster based on your requirements. With just a little bit of setup in the beginning, you can use Python to write a program that will execute any calculations you need in an instant. Considering so many different uses of Python in the mechanical engineering, there are top 4 uses of Python in mechanical engineering. Let us understand the use of Python in data analysis and the simulation field. The most widely used Python application is numerical analysis. It would take a long time to answer problems analytically when linear equations and ordinary differential equation and partial differential equations are involved. In mechanical engineering, boundary conditions are frequently present, making numerical analysis problems twice as difficult to solve. Assume you are attempting to determine the pressure difference across a pipe with a liquid running through it. Not only will solving the problem take an eternity, but obtaining correct data and plotting the difference in a graph will be nearly impossible. You may solve such problems in a couple of seconds with programming languages and get graphical simulation at the same time. Learning numerical analysis and coding gives up a world of possibilities in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, energy, and even software engineering like thermal engineers. Mechanical or thermal engineers are employed by software businesses such as Google and Facebook to ensure the efficient and safe thermal management of their database and cluster systems. These engineers build scripts in programming languages like Python using NumPy and Pandas library and then import them into the CFD software to evaluate a variety of ideas. So you may think of the possibilities of using Python in your field. It is having a vast variety of uses, but you need to have the open mind to understand all these different possibilities. Secondly, let us understand the use of Python in thermodynamics. Python can be used to address problems with classical thermodynamics. You may develop a code to solve your problem and save time, whether it includes chemical kinetics or fluid dynamics. Industries in the real world are unconcerned about how you solve problems or finish jobs. You may either spend 60% of your time addressing the mathematical or thermodynamic problems and rushing through the remaining 40% of the assignment, or you can spend 20% of your time tackling these problems in Python and focusing on the genuine issues at the end. Your efficiency is the sole aspect of your result that matters. Python has a large library and a straightforward syntax that makes it simple to address difficult issues. Third major application is the computational fluid dynamics. Python has a wide range of applications in the field of computational fluid dynamics. You will need to develop your scripts in programming languages like MATLAB or Python to simulate difficulties with the CFD softwares. You may write scripts for pre-processing, simulations, and post-processing in CFD. This efficiently handles the complex fluid dynamics problems also. You may also integrate the Python libraries like NumPy and SciPy with the CFD software to streamline your workflows. Fourth major use of Python is in control system and in robotics. Control systems are essential in mechanical engineering for designing automated machines, robotics, and processes. They help ensure that a system behaves in a predictable and desired manner by regulating its inputs and outputs. Python, with its robust libraries like control and matplotlib, simplifies the analysis, design, and simulation of control systems, making it accessible even to those with minimal programming experience. In conclusion, Python is revolutionizing the field of mechanical engineering. Its versatility, ease of use, and the powerful libraries make it an indispensable tool for addressing both routine and complex engineering problems. Whether you are a student exploring new possibilities or a seasoned professional looking to enhance efficiency, Python has something to offer you. So we may say that Python is a game changer for mechanical engineers. Thank you for joining me today, and I encourage you to start integrating Python into your engineering workflow. You will be amazed by what you can achieve.